In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link items in Monday.com. Simple, 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted tasks in one place to reference work happening on another board, linking items is the cleanest way to do it. We'll go from a blank board to a connected one, and by the end, you'll be able to pick specific items from another board and attach them right where you need them. Start by signing into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, open the board where you want the connections to live. This is your home board, the one whose items will hold the links. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit the board and to access any boards you plan to connect to. If you can't see a board, you won't be able to link to its items. On your open board, look to the right edge of your columns and click the plus icon. This is how you add a new column. From the column types menu, choose Connect Boards. This creates a special column designed to establish relationships between items across boards. Next, click Select Boards. A window will appear showing the boards you can access. Pick the board or boards you want to link to. You can connect to more than one if your workflow needs it, but keep it simple if you're just starting out. Double check that you're linking to the correct workspace and that the board contains the items you plan to reference. When you're ready, click Connect Boards. Your new Connect Boards column is now added to your board. You can rename the column to something descriptive so your team immediately knows what's being linked, like related project or client request. Now click any cell in that new column. A selector will open showing items from the board you connected. Use the search bar or scroll to find the exact item you want. Select the specific item or items you'd like to link. If multi-select is enabled, you can choose more than one. Otherwise, pick the single item that best matches your row. As soon as you select them, the links appear in the cell, typically as clickable item names. You can reopen the cell at any time to add or remove linked items. That's it. You've logged in, opened your board, added a Connect Boards column, selected the board to link, and chosen the exact items to connect. This keeps related work in context, reduces duplication, and makes navigation much faster. If something doesn't appear, verify your access to the other board and ensure the items aren't filtered out. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more connected Monday.com boards.